Okay, so the next one, we'll have a young little boy, a 12 years old boy. Okay, he is a footballer. He plays football. He's none other than my son, Shayne Lim. Shayne, back to you.
Oh, hello everybody. I'm Shayne. I'm 12 years old. I'm from Singapore, and I'm today just gonna share about my testimony about Kington. So Kington is very good for active kids and for elder people for whatever age. So for like me, last week I had 1 week of full football, like non-stop, every single day football. So before my football training starts, I have to drink my Kington. So I will drink my Kington by myself. I break and I drink by myself for every day before my game. Then after, I will drink again. So this Kington really helps me to keep fit because I'm in the playing for school team, and since now school has tournaments going on, so this helps me a lot. So thank you guys for listening to my test. Oh, and one more thing, it also helps to recover injuries. I have a lot of injuries on my body. I have just that Kington, just drink Kington, just that on my wound or anything, and it heals. Like within 2 days, it heals already. So that's how strong Kington works. So thank you guys for my sharing today. Back to you, Mommy.
Thank you very much, Shayne, for your great sharing. I hope you will help me to go to school and share more to your friends on my Kington.